Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we'll discuss about the brain teasers of cubes and cube roots. Coming to the first question, section A, tick the correct option. Cube of 0.1 is equal to 0.1. The decimal, 1 cube is 1, but 1 decimal, the answer will have 3 decimals, isn't it? So the answer will be, option is 0.001. 1 cube is 1. The question is having 0.1 first decimal. So the answer will have 3 decimals. So that means 0.001. Now second B question, the smallest number by which 1944 should be multiplied so that it becomes a perfect cube. So we have to do the prime factorization method, remember. So 1944, 2 9s are 18, 1 remains, 7s are 14, 2s are 4, 2, 4s are 8, 1 remains, 8s are 16, 1 remains, 6s are 12, 2, 2s are 4, 4s are 8, 3s are 6. Now it is 3 because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 8s are 24, 1s are 3, 3, 2s are 6, 7s are 21, 3, 9s are 27, 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. So which is the number to be multiplied? Means 2 cube is there, 3 cube is there, but here it is only 3 square. Means extra we want 1, 3, isn't it? So this is a rough work. 1944 is equal to 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 square. That means the number required is 1944 must be multiplied by 3 so that it becomes a perfect cube. Answer is first option. Now coming to the question number C, the value of cube root of 1 and how many zeros are there? Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros means the cube root of this. The question is 10 lakh. So 6 zeros means the answer will have only 2 zeros. So the answer is 100. The third option. You remember it is 3 zeros, 1. Answer, the cube root will have 1 0. 10 cube is 1000. So 6 zeros, the answer will have 2 zeros. Now the question number D, the cube root of 0.027 minus cube root of 0.008. So the question, how to solve? Minus cube root of 0.008. 27 is of 3 decimal, that means the answer will have 0.3, 1 decimal, minus 8 is the cube of 2. Cube root of 8 is 2. 3 decimal, so the cube root will have 1 decimal. The answer is 0.1. 0.3 minus 0.2 is 0.1. Now cube of minus 1 by 3, negative, the cube will also be negative. 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27. So the answer is minus 1 by 27. Is it okay? So that was about the question number 1. Now coming to question number 1b. Find the number whose cube is 1728. The cube is 1728. That means we have to find out the cube root. Okay. So ordinary, the method cube root of the 1728. 1728. 2 8s are 16, 6s are 12, 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 3s are 6, 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1s are 2 and 6s are 12. Now it is 2, 1s are, 0s are 1 and 1 carried, so 8s are 16, 2 5s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 4s are 8, again 2, 2s are 4, 1 remains, 7s are 14. Okay, take this to the next level. 27, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Okay, that means you will be writing cube root of 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. 2 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Cancel cube root and cube. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now coming to question number B. The cube root of 216 and into minus 125. So what we have to do? 2 1 cube into minus 125, that is cube root of 216 into cube root of minus 125. 216 is of 6 and a cube root of minus 125 is minus 5. Answer is plus minus minus, 6 5s are 30. Answer is minus 30. Now coming to the question number C. Cube root of 0.12345. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. It is a 3 digits, isn't it? You have to group in 3s. So for 3 zeros, you will be having 1 0 and 0 0 1, it is 1. Answer is 0.01. So from right side, from the decimal place, it is from left to right grouping. So 3 zeros, put 1 0 and 0 0 1. The answer is, the cube root of 1 is 1. Now what is the smallest number by which 1715 should be divided? The prime factorization method, remember, is 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. Not divisible by 3. So directly by 5. 5 3s are 15. 2 remains. 5 4s are 20. 1 remains. 5 3s are 15. Now 3 4 3, you remember, it is of 7. 7 49s are 7 7s are 7 1s are. So you got 5 into 7 cube. So which is extra? It is 5. So answer 1715 must be divided. Whatever is extra, it has to be divided by 5 so that the quotient is a perfect cube. Is it okay? So answer is 5. Hope you understood the question number first B up to question number D. Okay, now coming to E, evaluate. It's a rational number. So cube root of 0.512 upon 0.343. Numerator and denominator both are in decimals and that is 3 decimal. So remove the decimal. How to remove? Multiplied by 1000. So you got how much? It is a 512 upon 343. Isn't it? Cube root of 512 upon cube root 343. That means cube root of 512 upon cube root of 343. Remember, the rational numbers, the cube root of the numerator divided by the cube root of the denominator. So to show the method, so we have to do 512. It is 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5s are 10, 1 remains, 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 4s are 8, 2 32s are 64, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Okay, that is cube root of 2 cube, 2 cube and 2 cube. Now 343, 7 49s are 7 7s are 7 1s are. Cube root of 7 cube. That means cube root cube cancel, 2 into 2 into 2 by 7. 2 3 times is 8 by 7. Okay. If it is for a 2 marks question, then you have to show the method. Otherwise, for 1 mark directly you can solve. You can evaluate and write the answer. Okay, now coming to the question number 2. Prove that if a number is tripled, then its cube is 27 times the cube of the given number. If a number is tripled, so you don't know the number, so let the number be x. When it is tripled, वो लोग बोले हैं the number is tripled. Tripled मतलब क्या है? 3 times. It becomes 3x. Tripled means multiplied by 3. Now its cube. So find out its cube. That is 3x the whole cube. Isn't it? That means 3x into 3x into 3x. That is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, x 3 times, that is 27x cube. So it is 27 times the cube of the given number. 27 times the cube of the given number. Yes or no? 27 times the cube of the given number. Okay? Hence, proved. Why? Because cube of x is x cube. 27 times the number, the cube of the number, given number, cube of x, the number is x, so x cube. 27 times the cube of x. Okay, we have completed the brain teasers up to question number 2. Hope everyone understood these sums. Okay then, bye. Thank you for watching.